Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. In this video I will show you guys how to install this wonderful website, which is Sleep. This has many features for users. Now this is an investment website which is strictly for mobile. As you can see, the investment plan sections, which are nice. This is good. Once you come to order section, you can see users have made an investment. I know you guys will be wondering how we're able to achieve most of this information. As you can see, as you can see, now just stick to the end of this video to understand what we did and how we're able to implement this. See you guys in the next section. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. In this video section I want to show you guys how to install your investment website script, which is very good. Now I'm using Hostinger for this video section. So you guys, if you don't have Hostinger, you can get this Hostinger for an affordable price if you use my affiliate link, which is very good. It saves you cost. Okay, and using Hostinger also helps most of your design works faster and better. So this is my website. As you can see, this is empty, right? Good. So I'll go back to my dashboard. Once you go to your cPanel, it's still the same process. Now the very first thing you do is create your email account, which is your company email account. Once you've done with creating your company email account, ensure to save your information on your notepad. So next section is go to your file manager. So guys, if you're using an add-on domain or your main domain name, just go to your public_html or your add-on domain. So I'm using, mine is the public_html. so I've uploaded this script already due to the size, and I just want this video to be very fast. So let me just show you guys. This is the script. Once you come to upload, now if you're using cPanel, the top right corner here, there is a section called settings. Click on settings, then a display will pop out. Ensure to click on show hidden files and home directory under your domain. So all hidden files will be shown, like the .htrss and .env. Very important. So after you've done that, so let me just show you guys. Then go to upload. So once you come to upload, you select the file. Now this is a zip file. You select your zip file and you click upload. Okay, so I've done mine due to my network. So and the next section is let's create our database. So go back to your hosting environment dashboard, locate locate database wizard or database. So this is my database section. So let me just fill out this information. So as you can see, I've filled out this information. Now if you're using cPanel, once you get to the section where you put in your database user password, after that section it gets once you click next, it shows you a pop-up which is click on all privilege or click all privileges. Ensure to click that because that will allow you all the database functions to work with the script. So after you've done that, you save your database information on your notepad. So I'll click on create. Good. As you can see, this is my database. Now once you've done this, go to phpMyAdmin. So I'll click on enter my phpMyAdmin. Now I'll click on my database name, then go to import. So you select the database file. So this is it. Now click what open. Now take it down and click what import. As you can see, our database has been imported successfully. Now click on structure. Now this is it. Then go back to your file manager. After your file has been uploaded successfully, ensure to extract this. So I'm using Hostinger. I'll just have to put a folder name. So double click on the folder, select all or copy all, move them back to your public_html. Then ensure to delete the folder and also delete the zip file. Now this is good, as you can see. So guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on my YouTube platform. Alright, so the next section here is go to your .env, edit this section. So this section now we have to fill out this information. So I'll copy my domain name, I'll paste my domain name here just like this. Now this is my domain link. Now this is for your domain name. What you just have to do is, you don't need to make it long, okay? Let me say big space time tech, or just put it in one way, big giant tech. So this is how you put the name, okay? The next section here is you go to your file, copy your database information. This was my database name, then my database username, then your database password you created. So what you're doing is just copy and paste, okay? So the moment you created your company email account and you go straight to your webmail, the very first information you get most times is your webmail configuration settings. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see your information. Now since I'm using Hostinga, mine is smtp.hostinga.com. Then the email you created, ensure to copy your email. So let me just copy my email. Ctrl F or Command F. Then replace. Good. So for your database password, your company email password you created, copy your company email password. Then you come to this section, you paste. Now once you notice something here, there's a column behind it, so do not do it outside or delete it, if not your website won't work. So we've done this and click on save. So I'll just exit .env. So I'll go back to my website and reload. So ensure your PHP version is 8.1, 8.0 to 8.1, but just keep it at 8.1. Now this is how it is, okay? Now why you seeing it this way, because I'm using desktop to do this video. Let me just take reduce this section here. Now this is how the mobile section is. Now I have to customize and add the user email here, though it doesn't have email section, but you need to put user email. Okay, I'll show you how that works. So the next section here is how to log your admin. So copy your domain name. So get your domain name /admin /biggianttech /login. So this is how you log your admin. But I want to show you guys how to change this BigGiantTech. Okay, if you are doing this for your customer, why I have to put this just for security reasons. Okay, so once you do this, it will be hard for people to guess the admin login to your password to start trying to hack into your website. Now once you go back to public_HTML, which is your file manager, then what next is go to routes. Once you come to route section, then go to alt.php. Edit this section, let's say. Okay, sorry, this is for the user section. Come to web.php. Alright, like once you come to web.php, you get to see admin /biggianttech here. So you just change this to your name or anything that people won't guess easily. Let me just say, okay, let me just use trend, small letter, not capital letter. Okay, small letter, trend. Then click on save. Now once I come to the admin, if I reload here, I will definitely get an error. You can see not found. So let me come back to this section here, change this to trend. So this will be the admin login information you send to your users. So you just have to change that section to what people won't guess easily. Okay, so let me just X this section. So we are good to go. Now to get in your admin login, so go back to your database section, go to admins. Now this admin information here, click on edit. So copy your company email, you paste your company email, ensure there is no space. Okay, ensure there is no space. Then for your password, just put your password information, then you encrypt this password. So scroll down and click on go. Alright, then go back to your admin section, put in your admin email, then your admin password. Okay, then click what? Continue. So guys, as you can see, this is the admin dashboard of the website, which is nice, right? So I will show you guys everything about this website. So if you are still watching my video, congratulations guys. Now this is an awesome script which is very affordable. Okay, now the next section here is, so once you come to this section here, go to settings, then come to developer section. Now this is your cron job. Copy your cron job. So copy your cron job, go back to your hosting environment, which is your dashboard, locate cron job. Now this is cron jobs. So once you come to cron jobs, put this to every 5 minutes. Then you put your cron job link here and click on save. So that's how you add your cron job, because this is an automatic investment. Okay, so basically this is what you do. So after you've done that, come to settings. Now add withdraw charges. Let me just change this to 5%. Minimum withdrawal, let me say minimum withdrawal is 100. The maximum withdrawal, let me say it's 50,000. Now if you withdrawal switch, if you turn this off, users can't withdraw. Okay, if you turn this off, users can't withdraw. So let me just keep it at start. Now daily checking amount, this is for $20. Let me say daily checking amount, users are checking in every day. Let me say $10. Now you change this to, this is my WhatsApp link, so you can change this to your Telegram link here. You can change this to your Telegram link or whatever link service you want to. Now registration on bonus, you can add, okay, let me change this to $5. Once user register, they get $5 bonus. So this is total member register reward. I'll keep this like as it is. Okay, now after you've done that, click what? Update. Good. So the next section is go to manage method. Now this is for your payment section. If you click on edit, so this is for the wallet address. You can just change this to your wallet address and update. Okay, so let me show you guys how to add your own payment method. If you click on add new item, then the channel list, for instance, let me say PayPal, for instance. Now this channel address should be your PayPal email. Okay, this should be your PayPal. Then the maximum deposit here should be, let me say 1 million. Then the receiver name also, let me put this as PayPal. Then the minimum deposit here 100. Then type method here, put this as e-wallet and submit. So as you can see, this is paper. So this is how it is. Now let me add something else again. Let's try this. For instance, let me put this as bank transfer. You get it, bank transfer. Then this should be your account number. Then this should be your bank name. Then this should be the minimum, and also this should be the maximum. Then also take this to e-wallet and submit. So basically this is how you add your information, and we're done with that. Next section here is come to manage plan. So this is for manage plan sections, and you can add new plan. Let me add a new plan. Then plan name, let me say BB plan. Then let me choose a image for this plan. So this is the image for this plan. So the plan price here, let me just put this as okay. Here it should be 100. That's the minimum amount, which is 100. It's not range, it's just a fixed amount. But this plan is 100. Now commission with average amount, this is the percentage, the return on investment percentage. I'll put this as, let me say 45%, which is percentage. Now the validity days, meaning how long does this plan last, I'll put this as 7 days. If you want to put 30 days, put your 30, which is for 1 month, 90 for 3 months. You get it. So I'll just put this as 7 days. Now package type, I'll put this as VVIP or alt. It's just the label. Okay, let me just put this as alt. Then click for submit. So this is it, as you can see. If you want to edit any of the plan, just click on edit. Then just change the name, change all this, as you can see. Now this is active. Now let me go back to this plan. We added the plan, right? Then if you go back to the plan we added, as you can see, you can also disable this plan, which is inactive. So that's how you handle the plan section. So if you come to slider section, all these sliders, I'll show you guys where this is. Okay, so next is this rebate. Rebate is for the tax referral program. We have 10, 5. I'll come to that section. All right, so the next section here is for the bonus code. Now if you click add new, now bonus code is like a spinning a game challenge, or you can just give them, this is for your daily tax. Now you see it's kind of a gift. Let me just put this out. Let me say active users. Then the code here, put a unique code. Let me use let me say BTS. Then you can see something unique. Then the set service counter, let me just put this as, if you put this as 1, and winner list 0 to how many, meaning how many people you want to give this kind of code. Let me say okay, I'm giving this to 10 people. Our service counter should be 1. Then the amount for the instant is let me say $500. You get it. Or you can change this to 10, meaning if these particular users use this code, they won't be able to use it again. Okay, once they want to try it, it will just be disabled. You get it, meaning you just have to do it this way. So we'll click on submit. As you can see, bonus created successfully. Now once this bonus has been created, it shows you inactive, right? So what you just have to do is click on this red icon here. Now this is active, as you can see. Good. So I've showed you guys the main information here. So let me show you guys how the user section works. So this is for the user. Now let me just go to sign up. Now for the now this is mostly mobile for mobile use, as you can see. Now once a user comes to this section, they put in their email, their phone number, then their password. Now if they have an invitation code, which is for the referral program, they just put it here and click on sign up. You can see create processing. I'll click OK. Now automatically it's created user account. So you can see welcome Big Giant Tech. You can see your registration successfully and you get your 5% registration. Log in daily to get $10 login bonus. If you have a Telegram link, let me show you guys how to do that. So go back to your file manager, go to public_HTML, then go to resources, go to views. So this should be let's say user side. Go to app, then go to main, then you go to dashboard, right? Come on, let me see. Okay, this is home. So I go to index.blade, the edit section. Just Control F or Command F, Telegram. Now if you click on Telegram, so this is Telegram channel. Let's say there are places you have to put in a Telegram link. Let's say this section here, which is okay, this is a button. Okay, so now you can see here we have on click window location ref. Now this section you just have to put in the Telegram link here, and this is it for the button section. Put the Telegram link here. Okay, let's see, I think that is that. Okay, let me just look, just come back to this window section here and Ctrl F this. We have this in two places, right? Now this is also for the Telegram. Put this for the, just put your Telegram link in between this space here. After you've done that, click on save. So let me just do the practical so you guys will understand better. Let me just put so I'm putting my domain. I'll take this back to the other one. Then I'll click save. So I'll go back to the home section. Let me reload here. So once I click this Telegram, it takes you to the website. Now it takes it to my website, as you can see. So this is my website. So this is where it takes users to. You get it now. So this is how you add your link. If not, it won't work. Ensure you test your link before you give this to your customers. Now you can see reward 10 after successfully check in, which is for the daily check-in. Now these are the investment section here. Okay, these are the investment section. Now if we go to alt collection, remember we added it as alt, so this is where the alt collection will come. The regular is for the VVIP, while the alt collection is for this section here, as you can see. Okay, this is how it works basically. Now if you click on buy now, I can see the price is $100 for 7 days. Your daily income for the 7 days is $6.43. As you can see, VVIP plan. Once you click buy now, it's sufficient balance, right? I'll click on OK. Then I'll go back to, before I continue here, go back to admin, then go to manage customers. Now this will allow you, what I did is I added this email, so you able to see the user email and able to message the user offline, which is good because there's not much time to also do the automatic mailing because the time frame is short. I have to do this for a customer. So this is how it is. Now I'll go back here. Then next section is go to mine. So once you come to mine section, then go to, let's say we have okay, go to recharge. Now if you come to the recharge section, you can see minimum. Then let me just put $10,000 and payment. You can see users can select any of this payment channel. Let me click on bank transfer, so you guys will see how it works also. Now you can see the bank account, Chase Bank, receiver name. If I go back again, let me just go back and do the same thing. If I click on USDT, so you can see the account number is these are just copied, is not available. So once they are done with this, if you're a dev, what you just have to do is come to this section, go to this single pay, just come and put bank account / wallet address. Is kind of informative. Then let me just upload the payment proof. So I'll upload the payment proof, and I'll click on recharge. Successful, right? So I'll go back to home. Then let me go back to the admin section, go to manage payments, go to pending payments. So you're able to see the receipts, which is the voucher of the user. Then status, they just click on approve. As you can see, payment status change. So once I go to approve payments, so this is it. Now let me go back to the user section and reload the user section. So basically this is how it works. Now once you go to mine, you can see the balance, right? This is good. Now go to profile, go to your file manager. Let me exit this section. Then the same user section, right? Go to profile, edit this. Now we're looking for on click, right? Let's go to Windows, Control F, window dot location. So let me just go to on click. Let's see, I'm looking. Okay, I need to locate. Let me show you guys. We have, okay, this is for service. This is different. Okay, I won't say the, go back to home section. Now we have a Telegram icon here which we added. If I click on this, it takes you to my own page, so you just have to put in a Telegram link. So let me go back to mine again. So I believe we just have to go back from profile, go to service, that same user section, go to service.blade, edit this section, then Control F or Command F, Windows, window.location. Then just click this arrow, it takes it to this section, and this is for also the Telegram. So you put in your Telegram link or your link here. Also take this out, also put in your link here. Let me show you guys it. Then click on service here. So this is it. Now if you come to service, Big Giant Tech is here. Okay, this is for Telegram. Let me look again. Now you can see join Big Giant Tech, right? Now this join Big Giant Tech is your app name, so any name you put it will just show here. But the main important thing is put in your links here. Okay, after you've done that, click on save. So that's how this session works. So I just need to show you guys, just in case for those who don't understand much about coding. Now this is about all section. Now you can actually change all this information here. Go to your about us and change all. Okay, so I've shown you guys how to deposit, which is the recharge. Now what next is, if you come to team section, this team section is like the daily tax here. Angle commission. So once you copy your link or code to users, when they want to sign up, for instance, the optional code, they have to put in that code to join your links. So that's how it works. So if you go back to admin, go to let's say go to rebate commission. So this is it, team commission 10%. So you just have to do all these sections. You get it. Interest commission for team 1, team 2, and team 3. So it's easy to understand. It's easy to understand. So I'll go back to home section. Then what next is, I'll go to auth collection, the one I added just now. Click on buy now. Then you can see I'll click buy now. Successfully completed. So let me go to order. Let's say I'll go to auth collection. Now if you go to order auth collection, this is your investment. Start for your investment, please. And this meaning your investment is ongoing. So go back to admin section, then go to invest record. So this is it. Ensure to put in your cron job. Your cron job is this section. Go to settings, go to developer section. Now this is your cron job, which is very important. Ensure to copy your cron job. Copy your cron job, very, very important, as you can see. Copy it and ensure to put your cron job in your website. If not, the automatic won't work. So I believe that's for that section. Now the next section here is go to mine. Let me show you guys how the bonus works. The bonus I'm talking about is this bonus code, which is the gift section. So now if you come to user section, here you just come to gift. Now if you go to profile, we have something like download. Go there and change the link to maybe your mobile app link. If you want to convert your website to mobile app, you can also message me. I also convert your website to Android app and also iOS. Okay, so what next is, let's see, if you go to the gift section, I have to customize this section because it wasn't working. So most of this is customized. Okay, now this is admin section. This is the bonus we added, and this is the code. So let me copy the bonus code. You can send users this code, okay, through the email I added, so users, you're able to see users email. Then this is the code. Now once user put the wrong code, they won't be able to click on receive. So once I put the code, you can see I click receive. Now this is spinning. Now it said invalid code. Why this is invalid? Once you copy a code, ensure there is no space behind it. Now adding a space in code, it also affects the kind of code. Depends on the developer or what the code entails. So ensure to just copy the exact figures or the exact words, then go back and click on to save. Gift redeemed successfully, as you can see. You get it right. Then I'll go back here. As you can see, our money has been added. So let me go back to admin. Let me reload this bonus code section. Remember I told you guys you can also turn off the user withdrawal section. Now you can see we added for one person has used this. We added for service count of 10, right? Let me go back to the user section again. Let me go back to gifts. Let's recruit this code again. Let's see. Now you can see it works again twice, meaning this one particular user can use the same code 10 times, which is wrong. This is wrong to do. Okay, you can see you've already used this code. Let me go back again. You can see the money didn't add, right? Meaning once the user tried the same code again twice, it won't work because they've used this particular users have used this code. So that's how this bonus works. It works for one particular users at a time, and you can also deactivate it or delete it. So we're through with this. Last but not the least, go back to your website. So if you're still new to Big Giant Tech, if this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on my YouTube platform, guys. Good. The next section is come to withdraw. Now once you click on withdraw, it prompts you to put in your withdrawal information. So users will either the wallet or PayPal. Let me just choose bank transfer. Let me say this should be the bank name first bank, then the account address should also account address or bank address, a bank account number or wallet address. It's still the same process. Now just put my account number, then I'll click on to confirm. So if this is mobile, this is how it looks actually, as you can see. Then once user click on the back section, let me go to withdraw again. So to come to withdraw, let me do something like this. Then I put the withdraw amount, let me say 5,000, and withdraw. As you can see, withdraw is loading, so just want to show you guys. Withdraw sent successfully. Once the user click on the back section here, so let me go to withdraw history. Now I clicked this twice, you get it, I clicked it twice, that's why it shows this way. So I also clicked it once, but I clicked it twice because I have to shrink it to be able to see the reloading. So once you come to admin, let me just make this right back. Then you go to customer withdraw, go to pending withdraw. Then this is the click on action and turn this towards approve and submit. As you can see. So guys, this is all about this platform. This is how the platform works, which is cool, which is nice. If you like this clip, guys, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on Big Giant Tech. If you're new to my YouTube channel, if you want to get this, message me on WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching my video once more.